Weche mag somo en jagoro mongirore migawo nindo mar somo migosi Julius Bitoka oyango ni omenda ma ichiwo godo sira ne sikunde kata capitation idhi chwalnegi kochakore odiochieng' ma kawuono motelo ne yepo mag sikunde ogogo ma itimo juma nindo manyien chieng' wuok tich ka oyango ni omenda go eko moyo shillings bilion 24 gin mago eko makoro giseyudo kawuok kuom migawo nindo mar omenda ka otwak e nyim od bura mamalo e kind mabende koro molo mar mondo mi dadhoge kaluwore koda chal mar somo e pacho kaendi odiochieng' ma kawuono oyango ni somo manono kata free education en gi nende ma giketo e tim mak mana ni pod gintiere koda chiedh nadi mathoth mago eko moriwo kanyendo kwan mag jopuonje mathoth mabende medore e sikunde kinde ka kinde kendo koro miyo omenda ma giketo kaka bajet samoro ok rom mak mana ni gisebedo ka gimedo omenda ma kamago. Ojiwo sikunde mabende bajet margi biro rem mar mondo mi oro kwayo ka okalo kanyere director mag somo e counties mar mondo mi ne kaka inyalo konygi.
To reaffirm that free education policy in Kenya is still intact and is in place, despite the teething problems that we have seen in the financing gaps. I want to say that as a State Department, we are doing everything possible to ensure that we get enough resources to fund free primary, free day secondary, and free junior education in Kenya. However, we have had challenges with the fiscal space, as I presented, and it was worse during the previous government because, as you're all aware, we have been able to increase the budget that is going to education from about 490 million in 2022 to more than 700 billion in 2025. So we've been really increasing, but the demand continues to be huge. So in as far as what we expect the principals to do, despite these budget constraints, we have been encouraging our principals to stick to the budget. And if there is any school which requires additional money for some reason, they request and get approval through the County Education Board. And we have been approving requests from time to time through the County Education Board, whether they want to buy a bus, whether they want to do some additional infrastructure. That has been the procedure going forward. And I want to reaffirm that exchequer requests have been going to schools. We have confirmations. And on capitation, we have been working very hard to ensure that there are no delays. Like, for example, in last term, we released the money before schools opened. That is in January 2026. This time also, we are also releasing money for capitation as early as today, as we wait for schools to open next week. I want to confirm to the House that we have received the money from the National Treasury, and today we are going to wire the capitation money, the 23.4 billion, to all our schools around the country.